Hello students, today we are going to start multiplication of rational number. So for the multiplication of rational number we will follow this formula. Formula is product of their numerator divided by product of their denominator. Like I am taking an example, 2 upon 3 multiplied by 5 upon 7. So in this question we will multiply numerator with the numerator, that means product of their numerator, and 3 with 7, that means product of their denominator. So 2 into 5 is 10, 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Next is 3 upon 4 multiplied by minus 5 upon 8. Again 3 will multiply with 5 and 4 with 8. So 3 5s are 15, plus and minus minus 4 8s are 32. So this will become minus 15 upon 30. Next is simplification. First is 7 upon 18 multiplied by minus 4. So 7 upon 18 is 7 upon 18. As a rule we know product of their numerator and product of their denominator. Here denominator is 1. So it is not compulsory to write. So we will multiply 7 with 4 and 18 is 18. Now 7 into 4 divided by 18. Now 4 and 18 can be divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. Now this will become 7 into minus 2, 7 into minus 2, and this is 9. So 7 2s are 14, plus and minus minus, so this will become minus 14 upon 9. Next is minus 36 multiplied by minus 5 upon 9. Again 36 will multiply with minus 5. So minus 36 into minus 5 divided by 9. We can divide 36 with 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36. After dividing, this minus 4 and this minus 5 will multiply. So minus 4 multi minus 5. 4 5s are 20. Minus and minus plus. So this will become plus 20. Next is minus 11 upon 9 multi minus 21 upon minus 44. So multiplication of numerator and multiplication of denominator. Minus 11 into minus 21, 9 into minus 44. This minus 11 and this minus 44 will be divided by 11. So 11 1s are 11 and 11 4s are 44. Minus will cancel with minus. And this 21 and this 9 will be divided by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. So this is minus 7. Now 1 into minus 7 is 7, and this is 3 into 4. 3 into 4. So minus 7 upon 12. Now next is 13 upon 8 multi 32 upon 13 plus minus 4 upon 9 into 3 upon minus 2. So firstly we will solve those brackets, after then we will add the numbers what we will find. Now we are seeing here that 13 will cancel with 13. 13 1s are 13. Now from this 8 this 32 will divide. So 8 4s are 32. So this is 1 into 4. Plus is plus. Now come on this bracket, 2 2s are 4. So minus and minus will also cancel. So by dividing 4 with by 2, this will become 2. And here 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So this will become 2 upon 3. Now 1 4s are 4 and this is already 2 upon 3. Now take LCM. 1 and 3 is 3. Solve it. 1 3s are 3. So this 4 will multiply with this 3, plus is plus, 2 is 2. 3 1s are 3, and that means 2 1s are 2. So 4 3s are 12 plus 2 upon 3. 4 plus 2 is 14. So this is 14 upon 3. Next is minus 12 upon minus 12 upon 7 into minus 14 upon 27 minus 8 upon 45 into 9 upon 16. We have to subtract the value of those two brackets. So firstly we have to solve those brackets. Now we seeing 7 2s are 14 and 27 and 12 will divided by 4. sorry, by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So 4 into 2. This is minus 4 and this is minus 2. Minus 4 into minus 2 divided by 9. Minus is minus. Now again in this bracket, 8 1s are 8. So this is minus 1 and 8 2s are 16. This is 2. Now again divide 45 and 9. 9 1s are 9 and 9 5s are 45. So this is minus 1 and 1. Minus 1, 5 into 2. So 4 2s are 8, minus and minus. This will become plus, not negative. So after then this is minus 1 upon 10. Now take the LCM. LCM is 90. LCM is 90. Now 9 10s are 10. That means this 8 will multiplied with 10. Plus is plus, 1 is 1. 10 9s are 90. So this one will multiply with 9. 8 10s are 18 and 9 1s are 9. So this 80 and plus this 9. So this will become 89 upon 90.